Nissan Altima, this car have a problem, one cylinder not working, which is first one. Okay, that's the issue. That's why customer came here. So I check every cylinder is working, ECM pulse is coming, but this one there is no pulse. Okay, so then I check wiring also perfect, and then I check with multimeter continuity. This wire came here with one pin, and then I remove engine ECM, and then I will show you where is the problem and how you can solve it. Okay, so here's the engine ECM. Here's the engine ECM which I remove already. Okay, so this is the pin for first cylinder. Okay, so here's the multimeter, and first check this wire. We got it, see, from here. Okay, and this is actually, I'll show you this one. Okay, this is a fuse, and which fuse is perfect, there is no damage. Okay, then this fuse, this wire came here downside. I'll show you where came it here. I'll show you, see. Okay, so then I check here, there are 3 diodes. Okay, so one by one test. This is perfect, this is also perfect. See, this is beep sound came, but in diode there is no beep sound because it's one side voltage, no. So here is the problem, this is damage. That's why also one thing I'll show you, see, 0.557 and second 0.558. first cylinder, here you can see. So that means this diode already damaged. So now you replace this diode and check. Okay, 4 cylinder, this is 1 2 3 and 1 is here, this one. Okay, so that means engine ECM have problem. Okay, so I have one same another ECM for Nissan. So this car, this is have, there is also same diode. So now I replace it and I'll show you. Okay, first remove this one. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. See already, I'll show you. Now here you can see 0.524, second one 0.524, and third one, which is first cylinder, same. Great success. And before beep sound came, now it's perfect. Okay, so actually that's the problem, that's why this cylinder not working in Nissan Altima. So if my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. I'll show you perfectly this one. Okay, thank you so much for watching full video. Fix it engine ECM. Okay, you can see now I fix it with ECM, and then I'll show you. Before there is no pulse, now perfect. Okay, great success. See, perfect. Now it's working perfectly. Great success. So if my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. See, now stable, everything is perfect.